Claude just read your invoice PDF and told you the VAT is 1,847 dinars. It's confident. It's also wrong about 29% of the time, and you will never see an error message. If you're running invoices, contracts, or any scanned document through Claude and trusting the answer, this one matters. I'll show you the exact prompt change that took my client's invoice bot from 71% accuracy to 99.2% across 2,100 real scans. Most tutorials skip this because they test on clean text PDFs. I run mixed Cyrillic and Latin scans daily. I'm Lazar. I ship this for clients. Here's the trick. Here's the silent failure nobody warns you about. You upload a scanned supplier invoice to Claude. You ask for the totals, the VAT, the line items. Claude responds in a clean table, confident tone, no hedging. The number is wrong by 40 dinars. There is no error. There is no warning. There is no uncertainty. Score. And if you're a small business owner pushing this into your accounting system, the tax authority will find that error before you do. This is the exact problem we kept hitting on a client project. Scanned Serbian supplier invoices, mixed Cyrillic and Latin text, merged cells, faint stamps over numbers. Raw PDF upload to Claude gave us 71% field accuracy. People hear that and say, fine, pre-extract the text first with a library, then send clean text to Claude. We did that. It went up to 89%. Still not good enough for a business that gets audited. And here's what nobody tells you about pre-extraction. It hides Claude's mistakes worse than before. When you extract text first, merged cells silently collapse into one field. Cyrillic diacritics get stripped or replaced. A 7 becomes a 1. And Claude has no idea anything was lost, because by the time it sees the text, the damage is already done. So we flipped the approach. Instead of giving Claude less to look at, we gave it more, and forced it to prove what it saw. Step 1. Stop sending text. Send each page of the PDF as an image. Claude's vision model is genuinely good, but only if you let it actually see the document. Step 2. This is the part that changes everything. Do not ask for a clean table. Ask for structured JSON, where every single field has a value, a bounding box with X, Y, width, and height, and the page number it came from. The prompt is literally, return every invoice field as JSON with this schema, value, bbops as 4 integers. Page. Do not summarize. Do not skip fields you are unsure about. This forces visual grounding. Claude cannot hallucinate a number now, because it has to commit to coordinates. If it guesses, the box will be in the wrong place, and we can see that. Step 3. The verifier. 6 lines of Python. For each field Claude returned, take the bounding box, crop that exact region from the page image, and send just that little crop back to Claude with one question. What number do you see here? If the answer matches the original extraction, the field is confirmed. If it does not match, flag it. That flag goes into a human review queue, not into the accounting system. On our client project, this took us from 89% to 99.2% across 2,100 real scanned invoices. And the 0.8% that were wrong, every single one was flagged automatically and surfaced for human review before any damage was done. That is the difference between a demo and a production system. Auditability is not extracting the right number 99% of the time. Auditability is knowing which 1% you got wrong every single time with proof. The coordinates are the proof. The coordinates are the proof. The crop verification is the audit trail. And the whole thing runs on standard Claude API calls. No special model, no fine-tuning, no fancy OCR pipeline. Just the right prompt shape and a 6-line verifier. If you are running document automation for a real business, invoices, contracts, supplier records, and you need accuracy. You can actually defend when an auditor walks in. That is exactly what we build BizflowAI.io. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next breakdown finds you. And if you have a document workflow you want bulletproofed, book a free 30-minute discovery call at BizflowAI.io and we'll map out what's possible.